how to make Play-Doh without using cornstarch and conditioner. You will be needing whatever lotion you want and baby powder. Pour powder in your container. Here's mine. Now add your lotion. With a mixing tool, start mixing. If it's way too creamy, add more powder. And if it's too powdery like mine, add a lotion. Start mixing it with your hands, and if it sticks, add more powder. The final product will be like this. To color your Play-Doh, add some marker in. Please give credits and tag me if you try this idea. Bye guys!